animals. Dolphin. I love them. They are very cute and smart. They can play with a ball and save people. They are usually blue and white. They have fins.
How many?
How many
fin?
How many fins do you have? How many fins dolphin do you have? They have one dolphin. It's not many. I love dolphin. Dolphin is very cute. Do you love dolphin? Yes, I love dolphin too. Dolphin can jump circle. It not jump stand up. And it's not have a shark teeth. I don't how many teeth dolphin do you have? I don't know how many.
I
It's
think
maybe very many. I have I don't know. And shark. Wow, shark is very big. Do you know? Shark is the biggest sea animal. No, not big. Is small. Shark. They are very dangerous. Did you know? They have many big shark teeth. They have many fins. Oh, fins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eat many. And they is very scared. Scared is dangerous. I don't love shark. I'm scared. But I love dolphin. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. I love them. Wow. They are very big. You know, blue whales are very big sea animals. Look. And they have a big mouth. You have a big mouth, no, a small mouth. Wow. I love them. These have fins. Animal is sea animal. It have a fins.